वेलकम टू एजीपीजी स्टडी। लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी के बीएससी एग्रीकल्चर थर्ड सेमेस्टर सेकेंड ईयर की प्रैक्टिकल फाइल फार्म मशीनरी एंड पावर। आई विल शेयर यू एक्सपेरिमेंट 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. So let's begin. Experiment 5. Study of interculturing tools and implements, manuals and animal drawn. जो मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है वेट कंट्रोल करने के लिए इज टू इम्प्रूव द सॉइल कंडीशन को अच्छे से इम्प्रूव करना है, उसको हील करना है जिससे कि प्लांट हमारा अच्छे से ग्रो कर सके, अच्छे से उसका प्रॉपर ग्रोथ हो सके। टाइप्स ऑफ वीडिंग टूल्स एंड इम्प्लीमेंट्स। फर्स्ट, ट्रेडिशनल हैंड टूल्स। सेकंड, ट्रेडिशनल एंड इम्प्रूव्ड होज। थर्ड, व्हील होज। फोर्थ, एनिमल ड्रॉन मल्टी पर्पस होज। फिफ्थ, ट्रैक्टर ड्रॉन इंटरकल्चर इक्विपमेंट। Then, point first. Traditional hand tools. Khurpi. Khurbi is a traditional hand tools and made by a local artisans for use on a small and marginal farmers. इसका use small और marginal farmers करते हैं. Khurpi is used in India may vary in their size. Different size, shape और weight की traditional and improved hoes. The hoe is a versatile form of implement used for many operations. Well, this is the this is the image of hose. The two most common hose used by Indian farmers. First, hand hose. Second, animal drawn hose. Hand hose are used to cultivate very small areas of land by human labor. Kudali. It is used for intercultivating maize and sugarcane crops and earthing up the potato crop. And this is the diagram of Kudali. Improved hand hoe. An improved hand hoe is operated in the standing position. The grubber is a manual pull type hoe suitable for weeding and their culture of upland. And this is the picture of grubber. Rotary paddy weeder. Rotary paddy weeder is best suited for uprooting the wheat. And this is the image of rotary paddy weeder. The wheel hoe. The wheel hoe is another implement which is used for cultivating the land between rows. It consists of a wheel, two handles, and a type to place the cutting tool on. And also show you the image of wheel hoe. This is a wheel hoe. And last is animal drawn hoe. Animal drawn weeding implement are pulled either by single animals on a pair of animal. The main part of blade hoe are first handpiece, second prong, third blade, fourth handle, fifth beam. And this is the image of animal drawn hoe. Experiment 6. Study of seed cum fertilizers drill. Seed drill. Seed drill is a machine for placing the seeds in a continuous flow with covering soil. And this is the image of seed drill. And this is the image of seed drill. And इसमें continuous flow. Function of seed drill. First, to carry the seed. Second, to open furrow to a unique depth. Third, to meter the seeds. Fourth, to place the seed in furrows in an acceptable pattern. फरोज में इसको प्लेस किया जाता है एक एक्सेप्टेबल पैटर्न के साथ. फिफ्थ, टू कवर द सीड एंड कॉम्पैक्ट द सॉइल अराउंड द सीड. सीड कम फर्टिलाइजर ड्रिल. सीड कम फर्टिलाइजर ड्रिल. और सीड ड्रिल में क्या था, ओनली सीड को इसमें कॉन्टिन्यूस फ्लो में इसको सोक किया जाता है फील्ड में, और इसमें फर्टिलाइजर ऐड है, तो मीन्स सीड के साथ फर्टिलाइजर को भी इसमें अटैच किया जाता है. Seed drill filled with fertilizer dropping attachment distribute the fertilizer uniformly the ground. Types of seed drill. A seed drill with mechanical seed. First point is metering device mainly consists of frame, seed bond, seed metering mechanism, furrow openers, covering device, transport wheelers. Transport wheels means it is capable of sowing different seeds and using fertilizer at the same time. And this image of seed cum fertilizer drill. Experiment 7. To study about sprayer. Sprayers. Sprayers is a machine to apply fluid in the form of droplets. Sprayers used for the following purpose. ये ड्रॉपलेट के फॉर्म में फ्लूइड को मशीन के थ्रू अपनी फीड्स की क्रॉप में इसको अप्लाई किया जाता है. And first point is application of herbicide to remove weeds. Second, application of fungicides to minimize fungus diseases. Third, application of insecticides to control insect pests. And basic components of a sprayer. First, nozzle body. Second, nozzle cap. Third, spray plate. Fourth, spray gun. Fifth, spray boom. Sixth, filter. Seven, overflow pipe. Eight, relief value. 9, pressure regulator. 10, cutoff value. 11, nozzle disc. 12, nozzle boss. Third, nozzle tip. 14, spray length. After that, types of sprayers. High volume spray. Second, low volume spray. Third, ultra lower volume spray. Fourth, foam spraying. हाई वॉल्यूम स्प्रे की कैपेसिटी मोर देन 400 लीटर पर हेक्टेयर रहती है और लो वॉल्यूम स्प्रे की कैपेसिटी 5 to 400 लीटर पर हेक्टेयर रहती है. Ultra low volume sprayer. The sprayer has a motor powered by 6 or 12 volts battery. To the motor is attached a spinning disc having grooves or teeth and rotates at a very high revolution per minute, 4,000 to 9,000. And last is foam sprayer. Power sprayers are operated usually with internal combustion engine. The prime mover capacity varies from 1 to 5 HP. Spraying machine can be broadly classified into first, hand operated machine. Second, power operated machine. Hand operated machines are suitable for small holdings. They are operated at pressure ranging from 1 to 7 kg per square centimeter. And power operated machines suitable for treating large area. And last is third, airplane suitable for large scale work. 3 टाइप्स की होती हैं इसको एरिया वाइज यूज किया जाता है. And types of spray. First, bucket type spray. Second, compressor spray. Third is knapsack sprayer. Fourth is hand atomizer. Fifth is engine powered sprayers. And last is airplane sprayers. Experiment 8. To study about duster. Duster. Duster is a machine to apply chemical in dust form. डस्ट फॉर्म में केमिकल को अप्लाई करते हैं क्रॉप्स में. डस्टर्स मेक यूज ऑफ एयर स्ट्रीम्स टू कैरी पेस्टिसाइड्स इन फाइनली divided dry form on the plants. Types of dusters. 4 types of dusters: plunger type, knapsack type, rotary type, power operated duster. Plunger type. Plunger type एक simple duster होता है and with a small piston. The piston drives a current of air over the dust in a hopper form. And this is the image of plunger type duster. Second, knapsack type duster. It is a duster with the powder container on the back of the operator. Rotary type duster. It is a duster with a hand operated rotor in front of the operator. And last, power operated duster. Power operated duster mainly consists of a power driven from a hopper of a delivery shot. And this is the image of power duster. Essential spare parts to be kept in a stock. First, agitator. Second, feed control lever, feeding brush. Fourth, shaft from crank handle, hose, couplings and claps, grease plate, nuts and screws. Seed tracer. It is a machine to apply coating of protective chemical to seeds. Fumigator. It is a machine to generate and distribute gases or smoke. Flame gun. It is an apparatus to kill weeds by a flame. And last one is power sprayer gun duster. It with converted as duster when received. पहले इसको स्प्रेयर के रूप में यूज किया जाता है और इसको डस्टर के फॉर्म में भी यूज किया जा सकता है. See this image of power sprayer gun duster. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. आई होप आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल.